Now, the Prime Minister has given his initial reaction to the court's ruling, which essentially barred police from prosecuting numbers bosses. Up to the time of our newscast, the Prime Minister said that he was not aware of the contents of the ruling, nor had he been briefed by the Attorney General. However, Mr. Christie says the law is the law, and pending an appeal, the judgment will be enforced.
The judgment now places the people who are affected by the judgment in a position where they themselves have to come to an understanding of the meaning of the judgment and act in accordance with the judgment unless they appeal that decision. With respect to the police who enforces judgments, enforces the law, I beg your pardon, the police must have an understanding of what the judgment means. If they need the advice of the Attorney General, they will get that advice, and then they will act accordingly.
Now, you may recall that following the results of the January 28th gaming referendum, the government ordered that web shop operators shut down immediately or faced arrest and closure. And Prime Minister Christie says that position stands.
My position is on the record, has been referred to in the case itself. The position I adopted has been referred to, and once the court rules clearly on the law, there's no confusion as to what is to be expected. And if the web shops have been ruled to be an illegal, an illicit activity, then they have to act accordingly. So there's nothing for me to do now or say. The position reverts back to the original position that we adopted.
Now, opposition leader Dr. Hubert Minnis calls on the Prime Minister to uphold the rule of law following that court decision today. He says it's a welcome move and the Bahamian people voted no in significant numbers. In light of this, the opposition leader calls on the Prime Minister, the Minister of National Security and Commissioner of Police to move with, quote, deliberate haste, end quote, in upholding the rule of law and shut down the numbers houses.